concept of behavior. Diba, ginakama pa kayo sa iyang concept, diba ginakama nga, regardless sa babae yun, regardless sa point, ako niya ang papaintindihan, Billy Butler class, oh. Ako, babae ko. Pero basta gusto ko mag-perform sa mga obra sa mga lalaki, it doesn't mean nga kumboy ko. Nakuha niyo ang point yan? Nakuha ang class? May aral ng lalaki, mabasing lalaki siya, kaya gusto niya mag-musician siya, mag-makeup artist siya, pwede, ba? So that is the example of Judith Butler's concept of performativity. Lalaki karami ako, despite na pwede mo i-obrawon ang ginobra sa babae or sa lalaki. Pwede sa aton, may babae nga teacher, may lalaki nga teacher. So that is an example of gender butlers, theory, and also the queer theory. So ang queer theory is also like that, no? Queer theory opens new avenues of thought to define concepts considered central to identity and identity politics. So dire, sa politics, makita magyapon ninyo ang mga queer theories. Applicable. Number one, best example. We have Vice Mayor Glenn Atulan sa topic, sino ka na topic? She is a trans, literal na trans, naka-sex change. May titi, sexy, namin, but then trans, basti naka-sex change ka pa, kaya hindi pa siya dawat sa ato na society na all those wala pa sa dictionary na may butang nila na all male and female having transplant or gender sex change is considered as low gender. Wrong na ba? So wala lang, kung hindi ka sila ma-recognize na babae, na literal na babae. No? So ano pa? The act of queering. Why is the term queer used to describe queer theory? The word queer is believed to have been used in the early 1500s as a way to describe something that was peculiar or not normal. So when we say peculiar, hindi siya normal, no? Kakaiba siya. It's outside the norm. No? So performance of certain norms leads to the assumption that heteronormativity is built into our nature. So this is considered as Dibayan. So what do we mean by Dibayan? Okay, so may question? So tomorrow we discuss the 6. So sa lesson 6 is only 2 topics. Essentialism and your Essentialism and your functionalist and feminist. So ang feminist, naintindihan nyo naman theories that doubt as male domination. Feminine. So feeling nila may authority sila, lalaki sila. No? And then functionalist. So ano yung functionalist? So we will discuss that one tomorrow. May GC. Mag-attend sa GC. Example, attendance 121. Number 1, amatorio. Copy and paste. Nagawin ko si Congress. Dahil kami kanina. Copy and paste until 10 o'clock. Kung gusto ko makita, tanan ka mo nag-attendance sa attendance ko isa. Copy and paste. Number 1, Amatorio. Number 2, Delgado.
Nakikinig ako.
Sino na si Delgado? Nakuha. Instructions. Nakuha. Justin, nakuha. Alam mo sa JC? Siguraduhan nyo. Wala ko ba?
Number 41 po ha.
Sige. Justin, anak ka sa GC? So, class dismissed. You wait for your next. Bye. See you tomorrow. We have a long week.
Yes, I miss you.
Kayo yung sige. Long week sa Pastel. Bye, Miss. Hindi ba na dapat mag-ba? Bye.
Hi, ma'am!
Bye.
Jutang.
Ayun na, ano na. Lindas, parat ah.